In this video, I would like to give the information about the revised syllabus of mathematics of class 10 given by the Government of Andhra Pradesh School Education Department for the academic year 2022-2021. This is the textbook of mathematics of class 10 which was published by the government of Andhra Pradesh. From this textbook, I will give you information about the revised syllabus for the academic year 2022-2021. Which the first chapter is real numbers. In this chapter, you just prepare exercise 1.2 and 1.5 enough. 1.1, 1.3 and 1.4 are deleted for this academic year 2020 to 2021. Exercise 1.2 about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Exercise 1.5 about logarithms. So, you prepare the definitions of fundamental theorem of arithmetic and logarithms and related formulas, and exercise 1.2 and exercise 1.5. The second chapter is sets. You should prepare all exercises. That means you prepare total portion of the sets and read all definitions and learn about the concepts of operations on sets like union of sets and intersection of sets and difference between two sets and Venn diagrams. Then you will get a good score. And the second chapter sets is very easy and scoring subject, so you prepare well. Third chapter is polynomial. In this chapter polynomial, just you prepare exercise 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3 only. 3.4 is deleted. In this chapter, you prepare the definitions of polynomial and degree of the polynomial and the types of the polynomials according to their degrees and according to their number of terms and relation between the zeros and the coefficients. Then you prepare exercise 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3 to get a good score in public exams. Fourth chapter is pair of linear equations in two variables. In this year, the syllabus almost deleted for this topic. Just you prepare page number 73, 74 and try this in page number 75. Fifth chapter is quadratic equations. In this quadratic equations, you prepare just exercise 5.1 enough. 5.1 is about basic concepts of quadratic equations. That means definition and formation of quadratic equations. The sixth chapter is progressions. In this progression, all exercises are deleted for this academic year. Just you learn about arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, you learn about first term, common difference, nth term, and try this in page number 128 enough. Seventh chapter is coordinate geometry. In this coordinate geometry, only exercises 7.1 and 7.2 are there only. In this chapter, just you learn the formulas, distance formula and collinear points, section formula, trisection, midpoint formula and centroid formula. With these formulas, you can do these problems in exercise 7.1, 7.2 easily, and this is the scoring chapter. So, you prepare well this chapter for the exams. The eighth chapter is similar triangles. In these similar triangles, you prepare the constructions in exercise 8.2, 10 to 12 problems and learn the two theorems, Pythagoras and converse of Pythagoras theorems, and learn exercise 8.4 from 1 to 8 problems. Then you will get a good score in the exams. In these constructions, surely one problem will be given in the public exams. So, you learn the constructions perfectly. And the theorems, Pythagoras theorem and converse Pythagoras theorem, both are very, very important. You should learn the theorems well. Exercises 8.1, 8.2 up to 9 problems and exercise 8.3 are deleted for this academic year. So you prepare this portion only, constructions and Pythagoras theorem, converse of Pythagoras theorem. You prepare this portion for this academic year. In 9th chapter, tangents and secants to a circle, just you prepare exercise 9.1 and 9.2 up to 6 problems only. And you learn related concepts of exercise 9.1 and 9.2. 10th chapter is mensuration. In this 10th chapter, all exercises are deleted for this academic year. So you need not to prepare the exercises problems. Just you prepare the formulas in page number 245 and 246 only. 11th chapter is trigonometry. You should prepare full chapter for the public exams. First, you learn the formulas, trigonometric ratios for some specific angles, trigonometric ratios for complementary angles, and trigonometric identities. Then you will practice the problems, then you will get good score in public exams. 12th chapter is application of trigonometry. In this application of trigonometry, only page numbers 294, 295, 296 and 297 are there. Exercises 12.1 and 12.2 are deleted for this academic year. Just you prepare angle of elevation, angle of depression and related diagrams. That's enough. 13th chapter is probability. In this probability, you prepare page number 305 to 316. That means up to exercise 13.1, including exercise 13.1. And 13.2 is deleted exercise. 14th chapter is statistics. In this chapter, exercises 14.1, 14.2 and 14.3 are there. 14.4 is deleted exercise. First, you learn the formulas of mean, median and mode for the grouped data and ungrouped data. Then you practice the problems, then you will get a good score in this chapter. So this is the revised syllabus for the academic year 2022-2021, which was given by Government of Andhra Pradesh. This revised syllabus may have little bit changes, so please follow the updates of Government of Andhra Pradesh. So my dear students, prepare well for the exams by according to the revised syllabus. I wish you all of you good luck. If you like this video, please like it and share it to those who need maths basics and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.